Hello friends, greetings from Professor M.N. Musthafa, Department of Education, Central University of Kerala. I am here to offer you a course on developing life skills through Educational Multimedia Research Center, University of Calicut. This course envisages to give theoretical knowledge and practical experiences to make the aspirants by integrating technology. The course content is a part of the syllabi of most of the universities. It is a 4-credit course. Students of any discipline can take this as a core course or as an elective course. The course aims to provide a systematic understanding of the theoretical basis of life skills education, the application of life skills, and professionalization of life skills education. The course provides a practical approach to train all the 10 life skills listed by World Health Organization. The total duration of the course is 12 weeks with 36 modules. Let us join for this marvelous journey to understand life skills to make your life and others' life happy. See you soon. Thank you so much.